That one is the sharpener. Correct?
Yeah.
And this one is the trash bin.
Yeah.
So we could sharpen all of the, what do you call that?
Car sharpener.
Okay.
I cannot fix. I need to open. Yeah.
You just insert the pencil inside and then turn the handle.
No.
No.
Daddy, I want.
There's something wrong.
Daddy, I want help.
Hmm.
I want help.
Say it properly.
Yes, I want help.
I can't hear you.
Yes, I want help.
Ah, okay. So you just put it here inside the hole. Set properly until it goes to the end. And then you hold the sharpener over here. You hold it properly. Hold it properly. Now we'll turn the handle. Hold it properly.
Come here.
It's
come here.
Yeah, hold, turn. You hold. Other way around.
Come here. It's come here. It's come here.
No, turn the other one.
It's come here.
Oh, the dirt.
Yeah.
Later we get the dirt and then put it in the trash can.
Okay.
Turn it the other way.
Other way?
Other way. Wait a minute.
Okay. La, 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 la.
Hold it, let me double check. Wait, still not yet done. We have to continue. Get all the dirt on the floor and then put it in the trash can. Okay?
Okay.
We should be keeping the place clean, right? 2 hands over here. We need teamwork. Okay? You know the meaning of teamwork? Two people working together. Hold it properly. Okay. Oh. You got a lot of dirt again. Put it in the trash can. Thank you. Some more in the trash bin. We like to make the place clean. Correct? Okay, let's see if help you with this. Pull the pencil. Pull the pencil. Pull the pencil. Is it nice?
Yes.
You test it if it's working.
Yes.
Very good. Got it. We got it. High five.
This one.
So you mean it's not enough?
Yeah.
You want to sharpen some more?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, you hold the sharpener and then turn. Turn the other way. Turn the other way, like this. Like this.
Lula. I don't want to get food. Obviously. You pull out.
I'll be the one to pull out.
Yeah.
You need my help.
Yeah.
Okay. Press the side. Here.
Okay.
Oh, very nice. Got it.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. You forgot something. There's a lot of dirt inside. Throw it here.
Okay.
Throw it inside the trash can. Very good. So we are observing
Okay.
cleanliness. Okay, try it again. Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
It's writing night now.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the rest, you will be doing it one by one.
Pink one.
Next one is pink. And
Yeah.
after the pink, what?
Yeah.
The blue.
Blue.
After the blue, what? The black.
Black.
After the black, what?
Yeah. On the green.
The green. After the green,
And-
what?
And red.
Red. And then after the green, and
brown.
then brown.
Mhm.
And after that, finish.
And yeah.